안녕하십니까. 시로 레이저 기술의 황병극입니다. 오늘 할 것은 펜레이저 용접기에 대한 강의입니다.
For air-cooled laser welding machines, there are two power options, 1500 watt and 2000 watt, and the adjustable range is 10% to 100%. This machine uses high-power coupled semiconductor lasers. It can store 36 parameters, which is convenient for selecting the process for welding. Suitable for a variety of materials, stainless steel, carbon steel, and you can even edit the parameters yourself. The unique features of air-cooled welding make it ideal for easily welding highly reflective materials. Its small core diameter and focused laser beam provide high intensity and significant weld penetration depth. The laser source delivers a superior beam quality compared to other lasers, resulting in better absorption by the material. This leads to exceptional welding results, ensuring strong and precise welds. Additionally, the efficient design of the air-cooled system enhances the overall performance, making it a top choice for various industrial applications requiring high-quality welding. It can easily weld stainless steel and carbon steel, offering the flexibility of both single-sided and double-sided welding. The air-cooled system is robust and reliable, unaffected by extreme temperatures, allowing it to operate efficiently in both freezing cold and scorching heat. It boasts the capability to maintain stable and continuous operation for up to 72 hours. This ensures high productivity and consistent performance. It can also weld aluminum and galvanized steel with ease. The advanced laser technology ensures strong, precise welds, accommodating various materials. This versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. In addition to single-sided welding, it also supports double-sided welding. The thickness for double-sided welding varies depending on the material. With high photoelectric conversion efficiency and low power consumption, it is both energy efficient and cost effective.
(1강부터) (20강까지를) 나누어서 초급부터 중급, 고급 나누어서 완전히 이수하게 되면은 내가 직접 용접한 것을 제출하게 됩니다. 제출하게 되면은 이걸 포트폴리오로 완성시키면은 산학협동으로 누구든지 보고 이 정도 기술이 있다 그러면은 채용하겠다 하고 업계에서 바로 취직까지를 채용할 수 있도록 그렇게 다 하는 것입니다. 감사합니다.